Science guy Steve Spangler has retreated to the 9 backyard with sunshine, a light breeze, and balloons.
You've got it. You ever play with a magnifying glass as a kid? I think that some parents don't let the kids play with magnifying glasses anymore. You don't want to start a fire. Burning things.
How many
and
ants
so
can
forth.
you roast?
No, you really don't want to do that. That's specifically what I was going to say, not to talk about. Hold on to the white balloon. Got it? Okay. We're going to talk a little bit about solar energy.
Am I a solar furnace at this point? Am I
you
about
will
to
be
be
here
a solar
in just
furnace?
a second. We always say that white reflects the energy, correct, and black absorbs the energy. You could actually show that with a magnifying glass. So watch what happens if I take the magnifying glass and I shine it on the balloon here. Watch what happens here. See how I'm concentrating it? Really, really, really bright. Got it? Really bright? All right, so now you're fine. Now trade me balloons. You hang onto this balloon. Watch the black balloon. Watch what happens, right? Really, really bright. Instantaneously. But
just
watch
like
this.
an ant.
I know, hang on to this one here as you're there. Look at that. I can really, really get that intense.
You can.
Isn't that crazy?
Does it reflect it back? Is that what's happening?
Exactly. And you want to know the craziest thing? You know, we sometimes do this little thing to Alaska with teachers, this little thing, science called Science at Sea. One of the things that we learned about from the naturalists is they're actually taking some of the glaciers and covering the dark spots with white so the sun isn't beating in on that and burning it more. So the whole idea is this. Look at this. You see the this that you have here, hold on to it. You're going to be kind of like that. So let's go down the line and kind of see what we can do.
White, no.
Not bad. Let's see if we can do the red. Does it absorb the energy?
Yes.
Yellow you would think would probably reflect the energy pretty. A little one there. There you go. It wanted to go. There it is. There it is. Now,
and black
with no problem. But I got the craziest one for you. Watch what we did here. I actually blew up a balloon inside of a balloon. If you get in close and you look at this, see the black
There's a
balloon?
black balloon inside.
All right, hang on to this. Ready? Give me that. You don't care about that. Watch this. Let's see if I can just pop the black balloon inside.
No way.
Watch this. Isn't that crazy? Now, if you want to learn how to blow up the balloon inside of the balloon, it's just years of practice and self-denial. But you have to blow up the outside one first and then push the other one in. What? Bam!
Ladies and
Isn't
gentlemen.
that the craziest thing?
That is phenomenal.
So how great to be able to show people that it absorbs the energy. That black really absorbs the energy.
This is much more fun than, you know, cooking
Absolutely.
ants.
And who would have thought that you could it doesn't even take anything at all. Next thing you know, we'll be using lasers. That's fun. But I thought a great way online, we're going to show you how to make your own solar cooker out of a pizza box. So look at what we did here. We just took a pizza box. We used the fact that the black absorbs that energy there. And now the pizza box closes up. We made, I see the little thermometer that sits inside.
Like an
now
easy
you're not
bake
cooking
oven.
pizza inside here, but you're doing s'mores if you want to.
That'd be
so
good.
watch this. This pops up here. You kind of let the sun cook it. And I'm telling you, it gets hot inside there.
Marvelous.
It's all about solar energy.
Thank you, science guy.
You're welcome.
Let's retreat from the solar energy now, back to the cool of the studio.
Let's see if I can actually pop this one after a while. Ready?
9news.com, the beautiful Spangler Science logo. Nope, it's not going to go.
Isn't that the craziest thing? You just can't do it. That's the greatest thing.
Right back.